Hello, Chef. Eric Cartman. Severe thunderstorm warning. Kenny, Stan, and Kyle. Severe thunderstorm warning.
And my treads are wearing thin. Left me on the shoulder, broken and pulled over, alone in my skin.
Here we go. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, Sarpy County, northeastern Owen County in southeastern Nebraska, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 1:15 p.m.
Okay.
And so much to 35 a.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Louisville, or 10 miles south of Gretna, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
There's Duchess.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Duchess, look.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
People won't ever see them.
This severe thunderstorm.
Channel 11. Oh, look, there's Duchess.
Okay.
In Beaver Lake around 12:55 a.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 15 and 37. 48 and 437 between mile markers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 01:15 a.m. for the following counties:
Glow in the dark.
Fremont and Mills, and the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Odo, and Sarpy.
Cass, Odo, and Sarpy. Sarpy.
Or 15 miles south of Gretna, moving east at 30 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicator.
They have done so much for me. I've been happy. Join with your
They're not done. There's some more.
Send you this St. Jude T-shirt that you can
What? On channel 11?
Yeah, on the spectrum.
Wireless, nearly invisible, easy to use, and very comfortable hearing devices for only, wait for it, here we go, $99.
We didn't know what tomorrow would hold.
Still compilation. The lucky number.
Did we hear that right?
13?
Yeah. What does lucky number 13 in the compilation of emergency alert system?
But only from Audience. Audience are trusted by over 300,000 customers nationwide.
My audience really have many concepts to make.
Audience are unique, but powerful, and nearly invisible. Most people won't ever see them. Because they fit right into your ear canal, nothing shows on the back of your ear.
It's small, it's easy to use.
They're small, comfortable, they're rechargeable.
In fact, 20 hours of sound each charge. No more buying batteries.
It's over by the Missouri River.
By Missouri River.
Use and comfortable, and they're only $99 for a full pair. Wow, really wow. With the average cost of brand name
Out of
over
River.
$5,000.
Out of Lancaster County.
Here's something that just right. Hearing aid companies don't want you to
Out by
guess.
Douglas.
$5,000 price tag.
That way. Oh, here comes Duchess.
Meetings and follow-up appointments. It's not for the hearing aid. All unnecessary for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. And big name companies pay great sales commissions, which, let's
All right, there it is. Emergency alert system. Let's see what this for.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa.
Well, dude, you shot it or Nate shot it? So who are you telling? Was it Nate shot?
Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 1:15 a.m. At 12:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Louisville, or 10 miles south of Gretna, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cedar Creek around 12:40 a.m. Murray and Beaver Lake around 12:55 a.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 15 and 37. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 428 and 437. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 01:15 a.m. for the following counties: in Iowa, Fremont and Mills, and the following counties: in Nebraska, Cass, Odo and Sarpy.
Odo and Sarpy.
I'm bored with this. It's a shame to let Nate take the ride with you. There's no ride to take it.
Come on, Duchess, look! A banner!
Body and hearing.
A squirrel, red squirrel banner, rectangle banner.
But that's fine.
Audience changed my life.
For many, it's been years since they've heard the wind through the trees or a babbling brook. Years since they've heard birds.
That's it.
Oi, oi,
I do too.
That's it. Good night.
oi. Dad, pick up the cat to say wave on the camera to say the paw.
I'm not going to pick up the cat.
And to wave on the camera to say.
Group of guys, they don't quit.
Duchess,
These
come here.
dogs will hunt.
Come here.
This is a total team effort,
Come
and it
here.
paid off.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
I think this is over an ego
She
being
doesn't want to be picked
disrespected.
up.
Oh, there it is.
Show John Tavius that
There it is. There she is.
There she is.
She doesn't want to be picked up for right now.
What's the matter with her? Scared of the weather?
She doesn't like to be picked up that much.
this is stupid. I think it's a
Come on,
tragedy
Duchess,
that a
come on.
mother has lost her son.
Come here.
When
Come
it
here.
could have been avoided by just not going back over
coming.
there and avoiding the situation.
Come on. Come on.
It's in Jeffrey's room.
Yep. You go do it.
I can't do it.
Well,
It won't bit. On my mouth and my paw.
right. Right. So you barely.
5 years suspended.
Better leave her
Oh, he got
alone.
lucky.
Yeah.
5 years suspended.
Okay.
sentence.
Okay.
Okay, you better just leave her alone.
He got it.
Okay?
5 years
Just say,
suspended.
that's it, this time.
Say that's it for this time, or we'll be, or this time, or next one.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Louisville.
He was released on probation. Got lucky.
The cat scares the emergency alert system.
That's it. Bye.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, western Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, western Page County in southwestern Iowa, northeastern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, and Topeka. A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Tabor, or 60
Come here.
miles north of Nebraska, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected
You want it? It's right there.
60 miles.
Look, Duchess, emergency alert system.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tabor around 1:15 a.m. Winds around 1:25 a.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Essex. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 1 and 37. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been
Yes?
Okay, leave her alone.
Oi.
Iowa,
Come on,
Fremont,
Dad.
Mills, Montgomery, Page beach in Potawatomi, and the following
St. Mary's.
Nebraska, Cass and
Okay.
Odo.
Cass and Odo.
Otos,
yes.
A severe thunderstorm warning